welcome to your maths video for Thursday the 2nd of July. We're going to do some more of telling the time today, and it's your chance to be the teacher because you're going to mark some learning. So on your sheets you've got some clocks which display a time. Underneath I've written what time I think it is and you've got to mark my work. So there is a circular box where you're going to put either a tick if it's correct or a cross if it's wrong. Okay, so this is on your sheet to help you like it has been all week. Okay, so if you're not sure about the time, make sure you use this. So let's work the first one out together. So underneath I said this is 5:15. Okay, so I know the minute hand is the long hand, so we're looking at the red long hand first. It's pointing at the 4. Okay, let's start at o'clock. 5 past, 10 past, 1/4 past, 20 past. And if we check the 4 there, Luke, it should be 20 past. Oh, so I've got that one wrong. So straight away, I know it's wrong before I check the hour hand. I'm going to put a cross. Okay, and if I have got it wrong, it's your job to write the correct time. So we've worked out it's 20 past. So I'm going to write in 20 past. And then I'm going to look at the hour. Okay, so I know the long minute hand is 20 past. Now I'm going to look at the short hour hand. It's just after the 5. So I know it's 20 past 5. It's not right at the 5 because it's not 5 o'clock anymore. But we haven't reached 6 o'clock either. So it's 20 past 5. Okay, let's look at the next one. I've put it's 12 o'clock. Now looking at the long minute hand, the o'clock bit I know is right, because if you look, if the long minute hand's pointing at the 12, then it's o'clock. I think I've got it wrong again though, because it's not 12 o'clock. I can see that the short hour hand is pointing at 7, so it's 7 o'clock. Okay. So you've got to put a tick and a cross, or a cross, and then you've got to, if I've got it wrong, you've got to correct the time. Let's look at one more. Okay, so on this one I've put 20 past 10. So, oh, I'm at the 4 again. The minute hand's at the 4, which I know was 20 past last time. Let's just double check. O'clock, 5 past, 10 past, 1/4 past, 20 past. If I check using my picture, oh, that bit's right. 20 past 10. I can see it's just after the 10, the hour hand is, so that one's right. Finally got one right. So you give it a tick, and you don't need to do anything on the line because there's nothing to correct. Okay, this time I've put 3:45. Okay, so if I know it's 1:45, I'm going to use this picture. It's the long minute hand should be pointing to the 9. Oh, that's the short hand, so that's wrong. It's pointing to the 4, which I know it's 20 past, so o'clock, 5 past, 10 past, 1/4 past, 20 past. So that one's wrong, and I know it's 20 past, and let's work out which hour it's 20 past. So my short hour hand is pointing just after the 9, so it's 20 past 9. Okay, so that's your task for today. I'm sure you'll do great.